and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai, and today I will be showing you how to print Precious Memories white border church bulletins. To start off, we'll select our product on the left-hand side, and underneath our Layouts tab, we'll select White Border. Next, we'll click on the Print Information tab to view the dimensions needed to print this product. For more visual assistance, take a look at the tutorials listed on the left-hand side. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll select Print to generate our PDF file. If you haven't set your computer to do this automatically, please see our how-to video on the process. Once your PDF has generated, we suggest looking at both the front and back of the template to be sure that everything has generated correctly. Once you're satisfied with the results, click on File, Print, and we'll begin editing our printer settings. Starting from the top, we'll select the desired printer. Here, we'll change the number of copies we'll want to print, and we'll make sure that the following options have been selected: all pages, actual size, choose paper source by PDF page size, print on both sides of the paper. We're going to flip on the short edge because this is a landscape template. On the right-hand side, we'll want to make sure that both the document and page size match in both width and height. Next, we'll go into the Advanced Properties and change a few things towards the bottom. The document size will still be 8.5 by 11, and the orientation is still landscape. We'll change the ink to color. On the right-hand side, we have the option to change our input tray. Today, I will be using the bypass tray. Last but not least, we have the paper type, and this will always be thick 1 to ensure that the ink will stick onto the paper. At this point, you can register your current settings in order to create a one-click preset. To do so, name your preset here and click OK. Once you do this, it will create an icon that you will click on to make the next case the exact dimensions of this one. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll be ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.